from Lighting Trends have finally came in, y'all. So now I'm finna do an unboxing and see what is in the box. I guess these are my DRL boards. I know this is my light, my pack, my power pack or whatever. This is my power pack.
They're like LED lights.
These are gonna be bright too.
Yeah, them gonna be real bright. I can see it right now.
Red just came.
Yep. Ooh.
Them giant bright.
And when I figure out how to, cause somehow you can go. This is about to. Oh my god. Look on the camera, you really can't even tell, but. Mom, look at the lights. As y'all can see, I have something in store. Just wait and see. You know, guess what me and Chris did, me and my friend Chris, we did it all by ourselves, y'all, all by ourselves with the help of YouTube. That's it. Y'all see the final product. I owe it all really to Chris though for helping me. He did 80% of the work. Cause Lord knows I don't know what I'm doing for real. But y'all see the final product. And this, we have no cords showing. We have cords showing, but that's only your power supply and everything like that. Make sure don't nothing touch any wiring, any metals, anything like that.
Make sure you stay away from the motor.
Yeah. And the fan.
Yeah.
So, as y'all can see, we did it. Look, cues the Dora theme song. We did it. Those are the warm white.